Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. RPA tools. Top 31 best robotic process automation software on the market. Part 10. RocketBot. RocketBot is another RPA software solution that comes with high ratings on both G2 and Gartner. The tool is flexible, stable, and agile with a proven success across a wide range of industries. The RocketBot Studio is a great feature. It allows users to record automation or download components and build via a drag-and-drop interface. MuleSoft Automation by Salesforce. MuleSoft Automation is the popular Salesforce CRM RPA tool. Some of the big features include cross-platform capabilities, useful modules, and speed. ACABot by FPT Software. ACABot is a solid RPA tool from Hanoi-based FPT Software. It's a comprehensive, one-stop solution that allows teams to implement end-to-end automation. It has AI and OCR capabilities alongside API connectors, which allow it to integrate with a wide range of third-party software. ZAPTEST Enterprise. ZAPTEST offers a fantastic free version. Our 2-in-1 Enterprise enables any task automation for any UI and API technology for testing and RPA implementation. Some of the best features of ZAPTEST's RPA software solution include OneScript technology, which helps to create automation across different platforms, API, and devices without the need of rewriting scripts for each of these platforms. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.